I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Victoria's Wigs. Shout out to you, Victoria's Wigs, for sending me this unit. This unit is in the style Selina, and it is in the color honey brown, and it is 10 inches long, and it's a 13 by 6 frontal. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and as you guys see, this is what the unit looks like straight out of the packaging. Okay, so of course your girl did decide to add some curls to it, and then I'm gonna add some little pin curls to it, and you guys know I'm gonna switch it up and make it into my own. So if you guys are interested in any more details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Victoria's Wig. Shout out to you, Victoria's Wig, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit I am wearing right now is in the style Selina. It is a pre-made 13 by 6 lace front wig, special design 10-inch honey brown wig. Say honey brown, do I mean honey blonde? I don't know, but it says honey brown wig. And I'll after I do the specs and all that good stuff on this unit, like to the side, I will add pictures so you guys can see what it looks like on the site. So the cap size that they have available is a medium, which is 22.5 inches. They have on here what the shipping times and all that good stuff is. So it says the advantage is pre-plucked natural hairline, so realistic, just like your own hair. Pre-plucked hairline looks more natural. Pre-bleached wigs are wigs that are bleached properly to fade the knots. Also guarantee the longest span life of the wig. Glueless, all of our wigs are glueless, no need for glue or gel. Ready to go. We sewed a removable elastic band on the wig. All you need to do is put the band on and go tour date. The most friendly wig to beginners. And yeah, that is basically all I see as far as details and stuff go. So we can say that this wig is 10 inches long. It is in the color honey brown. I consider honey brown honey blonde. I think that's more so what they mean versus honey brown. You can only get this wig in an average cap size, and I'll let you know what I think about that as well. Now, this unit does come with, if I'm not mistaken, 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. It does say it comes with an elastic band on the wig. My wig did not have an elastic band. I don't know if you can get it with an elastic band, or if they are considering the adjustable straps to be an elastic band. But when I think about elastic bands, I think about that extra band that you have on wigs that make them quote unquote glueless. But I'm guessing since mine didn't come with one, that you can just tell them I want an elastic band and that be that. So to me, the unit looks much darker on the picture than it does in person. To me, in person, this looks to be more of an ash blonde than a honey blonde. it doesn't look brown whatsoever. I will admit on the site it does look to be more brown, but yeah. So that is the color that they have on here, and like I said, it does look a little darker on the site. This unit does come already like styled and cut and all that good stuff. So yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, there is some shedding, there is no tangling. I feel like this unit may be natural 613, but I could be wrong. But I feel like this unit may be a natural 613 that they dyed, and that could be why it is shedding some on me. But I do want to mention that it does shed some. Now, as far as it only coming in a medium cap size, I feel like if your head is a medium to large head, then you don't have to worry about anything as far as this wig goes. But if your head is on the smaller side, I think, yeah, she might not work for you. So I feel like this one is definitely medium to large head friendly, and I do want you guys to keep that in mind. Now, as far as the knots being bleached, I mentioned that I feel like this wig is a 613 wig, because most 613 or all 613 wigs that I've ever received come with like transparent lace, and that's how I feel about this one. And as you guys can see, it just kind of melts in. So it did look darker, and they may have bleached the knots. Like, you literally can't see any knots like really at all, but I do still feel like maybe that is because the lace was transparent from get-go. I could be wrong, I don't know, but it does say it comes with pre-bleached knots. I don't know, girl, I wasn't there when they made it, okay? I'm just here to tell you what I think about it, and that's like my personal opinion. But I do feel like the lace looks really, really nice, and I feel like it blended really nicely with me, and I feel like it will probably blend really nicely with you. As far as it being pre-tweezed, I did feel like the hairline was definitely pre-tweezed. I do have a new lens, and I cannot zoom in and out with that. I don't know if you guys can tell that I have a new lens and that y'all are all up in my face. Do you feel like you all in my face? Because I feel like you all in my face, girl. But I can't zoom in, but this is what it looks like, and I feel like you guys can still see it pretty good. So yeah, as far as the parting area, when it comes to wigs like this that don't have dark roots, like, I feel like my parts are never like great. Like, no matter what I put on there, like, I don't feel like they're great, but I feel like this one is decent. So yeah, that's what it looks like. You can tweeze it more if you like, but I still don't feel like it's going to be a very prominent parting, just because all the hair is just like one color. So that just kind of depends on your own preference. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the construction and stuff of this wig. I do want to mention that it does come like pre-curled, but I did add more curls, and we will talk about that in the outro. But that is it as far as the construction and stuff of this wig. If you are interested in anything that I did to this wig, as well as my thoughts and if I would recommend this wig, then please continue to watch. So if you have been watching me as of late, I have been doing a lot of wigs from this company, and I really love this company. I love how their hairline is always like tweezed, and the hairline always looks nice and need minimum to no work. I love that about this company. When it came to me picking this wig, I honestly, like I stated, thought the wig was gonna be darker. Like, I had a honey blonde in my head, and to me, the picture does look honey blonde. Honey blonde was like the color that or number 27. I always say honey blonde and 27 is basically the same thing. That was the color that I first ever dyed my hair, my real hair, in the 7th grade. Yes, I dyed my hair for the first time in the 7th grade. My grandma was cool, okay? But I did dye my hair, and I dyed it a honey blonde, and that is like always my go-to safe color. I feel like if you're gonna go blonde, a honey blonde is a good safe color to start with and work your way up. Now, when I received the wig and saw it, I felt like this is a lot lighter than a honey blonde. I wouldn't consider this honey blonde whatsoever. I would definitely consider the picture on the site to be a honey blonde, but this one doesn't feel honey blonde-ish to me. It feels like a golden blonde, or maybe a golden ash blonde, like somewhere in between there, but it doesn't feel honey blonde to me. So I feel like if you went on the site and you thought you was going to get the honey blonde color that is on here, and then you got this, you may be a little timid of this color. Granted, I personally like the color. I don't mind the color, but I'm also not somebody that is timid when it comes to blondes or any color really. So it depends on the person. So I want you guys to be wary of that. Like, the color that you see on me is the color that you may get or will probably get. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. Okay, so as far as the wig in itself, I initially was kind of like, what in the world? Like, this is gonna be some work to get it to style the way that I want it to be styled. Now granted, it was basically styled like the picture. The front was straight and the back was curly. That I knew that in my head when I told them, but when I got it, I was like, what in the world? And then I went back and looked at the pictures and I was like, yeah, this is the picture, like, as far as the styling goes. So yeah, I don't like that. I didn't like the straight part with the curly part. I prefer for my units to be either all curly or all straight, honey. No in between with your girl. So yeah, I did go ahead and curl it. Now once I curled it and did all of that jazz, I do like it. I did feel like it was also on the frizzy side, and I don't know if that has to do with the color or what, but it is definitely more like straight out the packaging on the frizzy side, and I felt like it needed some oiling and all of that good stuff. But yeah, once I curled the wig and added my little tweaks and stuff to it, it was definitely more my swag. And when I was telling them that I wanted it, I knew that I was gonna have to add those curls. So it just depends on your swag. So I do like it. My husband likes it, but child, my husband likes everything on me, honey. Okay, that's why he married me. But it is giving me more professional swag than I initially thought that it would. So yeah, it just depends on what you are looking for. I do like it. I do like the color, but if you're scared of color, girl, this is not your cup of tea. I also feel like I said, it did look more frizzy before I added my touches and stuff to it. So it just all depends on what you are looking for in a unit. But I like it. I think she's cute. It took a minute to grow on me, and like once I styled it and stuff, but once I did, I do like it. I just had something different in my head because of the color on the picture, and you guys know how I am. I don't play them games. I don't play them games. I like to get what I think I'm gonna get, girl, and this is definitely lighter than what I thought I was gonna get. Even though I do take into account that lighting and stuff plays a part, I still like that isn't lighting, girl. The color on here looks like honey or chestnut or whatever. This is definitely a lighter blonde, and I want you guys to be wary of that in case you look at the wig on the site. So, and that's what I'm here for, girl. I'm here to show you guys what these wigs are gonna look like in person. So I do have lights and stuff on me, but this is what you see is basically what you're gonna get. And honey, with this new lens, you all up in my nose, so you know exactly what you're getting, girl. So yeah, I think it's a look. Like, let me know what you guys think. Do you think she's a look on me or no? Now, as far as what I did to the unit, I did use my smoothing spray as well as my Freeze It holding spray on the unit to kind of hold the curls that I did add. And when I curled the unit, I did use my curling iron and curled it, and then I pin curled it, and that was that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Do you understand what I'm saying about the color? Are you okay with this color? Do you feel like it's a safe color? I feel like this wig would be really, really cute with some number 4 roots. Like, I like for my blonde wigs not to have any black roots, child. I don't even know why you would add black roots to blonde hair. It's such a huge contrast. But I would think like some number 4 roots on this would be life, honey. And you can really add that with either some mascara, brown mascara, or you can get some of those sprays. I don't know if anybody else did this as a child, but when I was a child, I would use like spray, hairspray, color hairspray to like change the color of my hair and add a strip here and add a strip there. Child was always doing something in my head, and my grandma was with it, girl. She let me be me. But yeah, so that's how I feel about it. Let me know what you guys think about how I styled it. Is it your cup of tea? Let your girl know down below in the comments. Now I'm gonna get Journey Brown in here to like speak to you guys, because y'all ain't seen her in a minute. All right, so here's Journey Brown to speak. Y'all hadn't seen her in a minute. Y'all been asking about her. Tell them hey, Journey.
Hey.
She has been in her own little world, and I kind of been like saying, no, Journey, no, and she'll do my outro with me every now and then, but it's been a while since she got on here and spoke, so I figured I would let her come in and say what's up. So she's saying what's up, chewing, smacking on that gum. I know y'all hear that loud since the mic is right here. Sorry. So sorry about that. But yeah, if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link and all that good stuff about it down below in the description box, and as well as more details and stuff about it. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Thank you.